Come here. We're being attacked by the killer dog. We're being attacked. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Thomas, nice to meet you. Let's get this car looking beautiful for you.
Yeah.
All right, so your main concern was we have the lights need to be polished.
Hush.
Hey,
So,
I'm a friendly. Come here.
started,
Good.
see the hood?
Okay.
After I started going to Quick Quack.
It's
car
Luigi.
wash. Hello. This started.
Okay, so
I don't know if it was from their wax.
well, it also you don't park this car outside, right?
It had to be parked outside for a long time before this happened.
Okay.
I mean, because I worked down the street,
Mhm.
so my car was parked out.
Yeah.
But
So
this is recent. I've
Okay.
had a car since 2003.
so that's pretty much wear and tear throughout the years. Because I have a 2004 Chevy Avalanche and it's the same thing with, you know, even though you protect it, you got to keep up with these cars, polishing, you know, putting some type of wax or ceramic coating. So what I'll do, I'll give it a wash, I'll do a clay to remove any oxidation because it's a little, you can hear it. And then I'll do a one-step polish to clean it up as much as possible for you. And I'll do a test spot with a single step, and then I'll do a test spot with using the compound and the polish. And then whatever looks better, and if we can go with it one step because it's cheaper,
Okay.
we'll do that. Not unless I need to do the two-step, but I'm gonna find out right now.
So there's
So there's this here, and I'm not just doing the hood. We're gonna polish. I'm polishing the whole car. Yeah,
Perfect.
I'm making this thing look good. Make sure those Lorenzos, you know, Lorenhart look good. Make sure they shine.
Those things aren't even available anymore.
This is right here. This was the hottest wheel when this car came out.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, and then see those
Okay, right here.
here.
So,
But
okay, so this is correct. This here is correct, but I'm gonna polish as much as possible. Now you're gonna be wowed. Hopefully. All right, you're welcome. All right, guys. So this is a 2003 Lexus, and we're gonna have to polish this out and make this thing look good again. Engine bay on this. It had a lot of condensation, a lot of buildup. The engine bay on this one looks clean now. The engine bay on this car is nice and fresh.
engine?
Yeah, the engine bay. Yeah, it was done. Huh?
About that.
Yeah. Well, I'm gonna start polishing out pretty soon. So.
And then this is all you have here.
Yeah. No. I ran through the whole thing. We're gonna. Yep. Now it's back to smooth. It was super rough, so it looked good. Clay, yeah. Dice que tenía una manguera al lado de la casa, so lo que puedo hacer es moverlo y sacar la manguera y echarle un manguerazo a todo para quitarle todo bien. Después lo secamos rápido, después ya le damos